have no confidence. Nobody respect me. Nobody want to look at me. Nobody want to talk to me. I'm so shy. I'm so timid. This and that and third. Bro, all you gotta do is just get in shape. That's all you gotta do. Get in shape. You don't have confidence right now because you don't like the way you look. You look like a skinny twig. You fat, right? You don't love yourself. That's why you don't have no confidence. You don't have that inner confidence. You don't have that self-love about yourself. But I promise you, once you get in shape, you're gonna have love about yourself, right? Guys, by you just simply being in shape, bro, you gain the respect that you want. You don't even have to say too much. You don't have to say too much. Guys, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, right? I don't really like to talk like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, I talk when I feel like it, but I'm not like a all up in somebody's face trying to talk to them, trying to introduce myself. I ain't like that, right? But by me simply being in shape, people come to me. People come to me. People ask me how my day going. Excuse me, sir, like, I see you in great shape. What you do to get in shape? Then the conversation go on and go on. Then they ask me, oh, how was your day going so far? You know what I'm saying? Just by me simply being in shape, guys. Bro, you have to get in the gym. You have to get in the gym. Build that self-love about yourself. And see, if you do that, already truly love yourself, once you get in shape, bro, your confidence gonna be through the fucking roof. Through the roof. You know what I'm saying? Guys, I always love myself. I always had confidence about myself. You know what I'm saying? But by me getting in shape, great shape, right? It just made my confidence even more louder. You know what I'm saying? People could tell that I'm just confident by the way I talk, by the way I walk, by the way I just look at them. You know what I'm saying? By the way I smile at them. By the way I tell them people to come here. You know what I'm saying? Just the swag, your presence alone. Just by you simply being in shape, bro. People love that. You have to understand, most people don't have confidence. You have to understand, most people are insecure about themselves. You know what I'm saying? So people always want to be around somebody that's confident. People that's not in shape, or people that is in shape, admire people that is in shape. You know what I'm saying? And guys, I'm not saying, bro, you have to be a bodybuilder. I'm not saying, bro, you have to look like the Incredible Hulk. I'm not saying, bro, you have to be the strongest man in the fucking world. You know what I'm saying, guys? I don't give two fucks about being the strongest man in the world. I'm not trying to be Ronnie Coleman. I'm not trying to look like the Incredible Hulk. You know what I'm saying? I don't give a fuck about none of that. Right? I'm just doing this shit just to look good and stay fit. Right? And by you just looking good and stay fit, bro, you don't have to build super amounts of muscle mass. A lot of dudes think, oh, bro, I gotta look like Ronnie Coleman to get girls. Oh, I gotta look like Ronnie Coleman to gain respect. I gotta look like the Incredible Hulk. I gotta build crazy amount of strength, right, to gain respect from other people. Bro, people don't give a fuck about that. Right? People don't give a fuck about that. I don't know about y'all guys, but I like women. Women don't give a fuck about how much you bench. Women don't give a fuck about how much you squat. You know what I'm saying? Women don't give a fuck about how much you overhead press. They don't care about that. Do you look good? Are you aesthetically pleasing? Do you look good in the eye? You know what I'm saying? Do you look good in clothes? How you walk, how you talk, how you carry yourself. That's what women care about. You know what I'm saying? They don't give a crap about you being the strongest man in the world, you breaking records. They don't give a shit. They don't care about that, bro. Only women that care about that stuff, guys, is women that's a bodybuilder, that's a power lifter. But everybody else, nobody gives a fuck about that. And hell, some of the powerlifters and some of the bodybuilders don't even give a fuck about that shit either. You know what I'm saying? Do you look good? That's what they care about. Do you have the confidence? That's what they care about. By you being in shape, bro, you're going to gain the confidence. Women are attracted to confidence. You don't have no confidence about yourself because you don't love yourself. You don't like the way you look. Change that. You say you was gonna get in the gym the beginning of the year. You still haven't touched the gym. Or you still haven't went back to the gym. You went to the gym that first week of January. That first month of January. Right? And after that month, you just fell out. You just stopped going to the fucking gym. You start making excuses. You start complaining, oh, I'm sore. I'm too tired to go to the gym, this and that third. I got work. I don't have time. Yes, you do. You got fucking time. Yes, you do. That's everybody fucking excuse. Oh, I don't have time for the gym. Bro, you have fucking time for the gym. What the fuck? How much money you making? Are you making trillions of dollars a day? Are you making billions of dollars a day? No, you're not. And even the people that is making trillions and billions of dollars a day, they still making sure they go to the fucking gym, bro. Health is wealth, guys. You making all this money, you stressing your fucking mind, your body, working this fucking 9 to 5, right? Bro, you not gonna fucking live long if you don't get your ass in the gym, bro. And by you just going to the gym, bro, it's like a stress reliever, guys. For all the folks right now that's stressed the fuck out, depressed, all this extra ass shit, bro, go to the gym, bro. Go to the gym, guys. I don't get stressed like that. You know what I'm saying? But I don't get stressed like that because I go to the gym. I'm lifting this heavy ass weight. I don't have time to be fucking stressed out. That heavy ass weight, get on, squat hella weight. You know what I'm saying? Bench hella weight. Not saying you have to, but do a lot of reps. Your ass gonna get fucking tired, and when you get fucking tired, you ain't gonna really give a fuck about too much of anything. You know what I'm saying? A lot of y'all dudes stressed out for no fucking reason. A lot of y'all dudes depressed for no fucking reason. You know what I'm saying? You care about shit that don't got nothing to do with you. You worried about everybody else, but you ain't even fucking worried about yourself. You ain't even worried about your health, bro. In 2025, 2026, whatever year this is that you watching this, bro, you should not be fucking fat as hell. You should not. You not getting a woman because you fat as hell. No woman want a fat man, period, point blank. I don't care what your mama say. I don't care what your grandmama say. I don't give a fuck what your fat ass friends say. They don't want no fat man, bro. They don't. They don't. They just saying it because it sounds good, right? But as soon as a dude that's in shape walk past them, they go like, damn, who that is, right? They look at him up and down and shit. That's how your girl should be. Your girl should be looking at you up and down. Your girl should be wanting to touch all on you. Your girl should want to kiss all on you. Bro, going to the gym is the best decision I damn near ever made in my fucking life. When you look good, you play good. When you play good, you talk good. Guys, any room I get into, I could be a fucking nobody in any fucking room, I could be anywhere. You drop me off anywhere. I'm talking like I'm the fucking man. Bitch, I own this shit. Do you know who you fucking talking to? Do you know who you talking to? I own this shit. Right? That's what they feel. By the way I talk to them. By the energy, the vibe. The vibe, the energy with these bitches, what they be saying, that's what I'm giving off when I talk to them. That's what I'm giving off when I look at them. Just by me simply being in shape, guys. Now just imagine you put the fitted clothes on. Now just imagine you got a clean cut. Now just imagine you got some cologne on. Now just imagine you been working on your game. You been working on your mindset. These bitches got no choice but to talk to you. They got no choice but to talk to you. When you look good, other dudes, they see you. We like women over here, but other dudes, when they see a dude that look good, they just gonna respect you more just off the rip. You ain't gonna really have to do too much talking. Guys, I just said, like, bro, I don't really be doing too much and no talking, period. You know what I'm saying? I can be fucking social. I'm not scared to talk to nobody, right? But I'm not just, like I said, I'm not just all in everybody fucking face. People come up to me. You know what I'm saying? Yes, I go up to people sometimes. Yes, I go introduce myself. Yes, I go talk to people, right? But for the most part, people come up and talk to me. When I go to stores, people come up and talk to me. I ain't fucking famous. I ain't no fucking celebrity. You know what I'm saying? People come up to talk to me when I'm in fucking Walmart, Target, Publix, Kroger, any grocery store, any fucking mall. You know what I'm saying? People come up and talk to me. But that's just because I'm just in shape. And see, other people, they understand that by you being in shape, they understand the hard work, the dedication, the consistency, the discipline you put in to get in shape, right? So they respect you so much more because they know how hard you put in the work to get in shape. Damn, his diet must be on point. Damn, he must don't play about his diet. You know, a lot of y'all dudes, y'all just eat whatever. Let me not eat that fried chicken over there. You know what I'm saying? I have the discipline. That's what people love. That's what people admire. Most people don't have discipline. Most people don't have fucking discipline. Discipline is hard for most people. They see some cake in front of them, they go fucking crazy. They see a honey bun in front of them, they go crazy. Fuck everything else. Fuck all the hard work you just put in. Fuck all the steps that you just put in on the treadmill or the Stairmaster. Fuck all that. Let me just go ahead and eat this honey bun. People respect you so much more. You gain so much confidence by you just simply being in shape, bro. Just by you simply being in shape. You know what I'm saying? I'm making this video for all the dudes that's watching this. Like, bro, get in the gym. Get in the gym. There's no reason why you not in the gym. There's no reason why. There's none. You should be in the gym. Every single person that's watching this, you should be in the fucking gym. If you skinny, get your ass in the gym. If you fat, get your ass in the gym. You know what I'm saying? If you a dude that's in shape already, still get your ass in the gym. Why you slacking? I know we all get tired. Like, guys, I don't like going to the fucking gym every fucking 5 days a week. You know what I'm saying? I don't, but I have to force myself. I have to see the long-term vision. Right? And that's what a lot of y'all dudes need. Y'all need to see the long-term vision. When you 60, when you 80, when you 50, don't you want to look good? I don't know about y'all guys, but when I'm 50, when I'm 60, when I'm 70, when I'm 80, nigga, I still want to have my abs popping. I still want to have my abs showing. How many dudes you know that's 50, 60, 70, 80 years old got abs? Hell, a lot of y'all dudes watching this right now don't even have abs. Right? When I go to the beach, when I'm 50, 60, 78, 80, 90 years old, bro, I want to take my shirt off comfortably. A lot of y'all dudes that's watching this, you can't even take your shirt off. You can't even take your shirt off in your own house because you feel uncomfortable. Like, how do that sound? Guys, I take my shirt off anywhere. Anywhere. Right? Because I look good. I'm confident within myself. I love myself. Right? And if you really love yourself and you say you really love yourself, why your ass not in the gym? Why you don't work out? You obviously don't love yourself if you're not in the gym. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, guys, that's the video for today. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, this your boy Darren. I'm out. Peace.